So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are looking at the cosine rule. Alright. So in our previous video we had talked about the sine rule. Alright, and when to find sine rule. Now this is the cosine rule. How do we know when to use the cosine rule? Alright, if we're given a non-right angle triangle, alright, so if we're given a non-right angle triangle and if we're given two sides and an angle or three sides, alright. Now in finding a side, it is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc and cos a. Alright, finding an angle is cos angle or is equal to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. Now I have a triangle up there and we're trying to find what x is. Alright, so in order to find what x is, we're just going to write our formula and then we're going to substitute what is given. Alright, now this is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. So we're going to substitute. So now our a square, alright, which is our side, would be x because this is our angle and our side is over here. Alright, so this becomes x square is equal to b, alright, which is our side, which is 10 square plus c square, alright, which is our side, so this is 9 square minus 2 times 10 times 9 times cos, and our angle is 47 degrees. Alright, so we're going to clean this up. So this is x square is equal to 100 plus 81, alright, minus 2 times 10 times 9, this is 180, and cos 47, hold on. So cos 47 is equal to 0.6819. Alright, now we still can clean this up. Alright, and by cleaning this up you can even put this straight into your calculator. So if you put this straight in your calculator, then you will get the answer. But just let's go down a little bit further. So this is x squared is equal to 181 minus 180, 0.6819. Now x squared is equal to 181 minus 180 cos. Alright, so that is 58.24. Now remember that we are looking for x, and because this is raised to the power of 2, we have to find the opposite of a power, and that is rooting it. So we're going to root here and we're going to root here. Now my x is equal to 58.24 is equal to 7.632. And that is how we go about finding a side. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do, we just need to write back our formula and then we substitute. And as I said before, when you get here, you can just plug this straight into your calculator and you'll be able to get your answer, and then use to find this. In order to get rid of a power, you have to do the opposite, and that's how we find a side. So guys, let's look at finding an angle. And remember that in order to find an angle, you're supposed to be given three sides. Alright, so here I have my triangle, alright, ABC, and my opposite side of angle A is 6, B is 5, and C is 7. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to draw for your formula. So you find your formula, then you're going to substitute, and when you substitute, you solve. So let's go. So this is cos A, alright, is equal to B square plus C square minus A square, and that divided by 2BC. So now we're just gonna substitute. So this is cos A is equal to, alright, so we know that B is a 5, so we can say 5 times 5, or better yet, 5 square plus 7 square, right, minus A, which is 6 square, and that is divided by 2 times B, which is 5, times C, which is 7. And we can just clean this up, right? So this is cos A is equal to 5, 5, 25. So that's 25 plus 49 minus 36 divided by 2 5 10 times 7, 70. Alright, from right here you can plug this straight into your calculator. So let's go. So that's 25 plus 49 minus 36 and divided by 70. So cos A is equal to 0.5428. I think we could round that off, So we could get, I think it's 0.5 cos inverse 0.5429. So let's find the inverse of that. Shift cos 0.5429, and that is equal to 57.12. Or we could round this off to 57 degrees. And that's how, wait. Sorry guys. Hey, don't play with me though. And that's how we find our angle. So guys, in wrapping up, remember now, in order to know when to use the cosine rule or the law of cosine, is basically you need to have two sides and a given angle, or you get three sides. All right, so once you look at your triangle, it is not a right angle triangle, and you have given two sides and an angle. All right, or you have given three sides, then you said, all right, boom, this is a cosine rule. And guys, when you figured out that it is the cosine rule, and substitute, and when you substitute, then you solve, and kaboom, you're finished, you're all done. But guys, please remember that you need to practice, 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 and therefore I know that you will become perfect at whatever you're doing. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. All right, come share up the thing, man. I wanna go on with it. Share up the thing, and also remember to hit that bell to be notified when there is a new video that is out. And as always, I say a prayer day, keep the devil away. All right, peace out and one love, and I see you next time. All right, kaboom.